Hello YouTubers, welcome to starting my Suffolk Punch 35S lawnmower. I'm just going to pop the camera down. Sorry about that. Just going to pop the camera down somewhere. See if I can't get it started. I had a runny as a bargain off eBay, cost me £15 plus $9.99. And they really it's a bargain. Since the sun said spares all repairs, but it got a spark, so I bought it. So now I'm just going to give it a pull over and see what happens. Put my soak on. 1, 2, 3, 4. And petrol. Sorry guys. Forgot to put petrol on. Petrol now on. It might just start up. As you can see there, YouTubers, it started and ran. When they're working, I love Suffolk engines. The only my Suffolk engines that aren't getting a spark. I don't like, because I don't know how much about them, but he's got the original gas tank on it. With the original petrol cap. Everything's in full working order, even the throttle lever. So normally when it's cold, you do have to give them a few more extra primes, but that's nothing unusual for a cold engine. So once again, this is the Suffolk Quadcast 35S, and thanks for watching.